Hey there, I'm Sammy from Binance. When you travel or even when you're just out shopping, paying should be simple. With the Binance app, you can scan a supported merchant QR code and pay via 100 plus cryptocurrencies instantly and with zero gas fees. So today I'm going to show you how to use QR payments with Binance Pay. Let's dive right in. Binance Pay is currently live with 21 million merchants, continuing to expand across more merchants and QR payment partners globally. So, depending on where you are, you may be able to pay by scanning local QR codes in more places than you expect. For example, in Latin America, registered LATAM users can scan local QR codes and pay with crypto while traveling across supported countries in the region, making cross-border payments much easier. In Asia, international tourists visiting Vietnam can scan local QR codes like VietQR and pay with crypto via Binance Pay. No cash, no ATM, and no exchanges. Take note that this is currently available for international tourists visiting the country only. In South Africa, more than 650,000 merchants accept QR payments through the Scan to Pay network, across categories like telco payments, bill payments, health and beauty, fashion, footwear, and everyday shopping. And in France, users may be able to pay with crypto at select luxury retail merchants that support QR payments, including well-known department stores across the country. Think fashion, luxury, and beauty. In other words, you can actually spend your crypto on real-world purchases. This is due to Binance Pay's partnership with Printemps, one of France's leading names with 13 department stores across the country. That being said, as we are constantly expanding our Binance Pay offerings and adding more QR payment partners, always check the latest availability and updates directly in our Binance announcements. So, here's how you can use the QR payment. Before you begin, please ensure that you have completed the Binance identity verification. You can check the video on how to get verified by clicking on the top right corner of this video or in the description box to get started. Once you're verified, simply open the Binance app. Find this specific logo and tap it. That's it. You're ready to go. Another quick way is to simply hold the Binance icon on your home screen and tap here to quickly access the scan function. Alternatively, you can search Pay in the search bar here and under Functions, tap Pay to access Binance Pay. Once you're in, tap the scan icon to open your camera. Aim at the merchant's QR code and scan. Quick and easy. Now, if the QR code doesn't include an amount, just enter the amount manually. Otherwise, take a moment to double check what's on your screen. You should see the merchant's name, the amount, and your payment summary. Pick the crypto you want to pay with from 100 plus options and tap confirm. Please take note that if your prioritized crypto balance isn't enough to cover the full payment amount, Binance Pay may use multiple cryptocurrencies in your preferred payment order to complete the transaction. Now verify the payment, enter your pay PIN, or complete 2FA if prompted. Once you verify, the payment is processed immediately. You'll see the success screen and you're done. That's it! Binance Pay makes crypto payments quick and secure, and we're continuing to expand QR payment support with more merchants and partners around the world. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.